Susie.
Aww. Today is day 6. Is that right? Yeah, I think so. Of the holiday. We're on the way to do some kayaking. Well, I'm not going to be kayaking, and neither is Mum. We're going to be with the doggies. But yeah, Tommy and Alice are in the car behind. And I think them two are going to have kayaks, and Jamie and Dad are going to have paddle boards. So hopefully we can see them on the water so I can film some.
Should try Teddy on the paddle board.
Dad, smile. Fun. They're off kayaking. Bye. It's chaos. Jamie, how's it going? There's Jamie over there. Where are the others gone?
Not come out yet. I don't. It's just fallen in. Actually, you do really well. I'm impressed. Even if nobody else is. Particularly warm either.
Don't lose your paddle. Do you need to come over here to help you get back on? Look at Dad all the way over there.
You don't realise it, you don't until you get back on it.
Mum?
Hi.
Dogs have gone crazy. There's loads of kids here,
Yeah,
so the dogs went mad, barking.
And it wasn't just the fact there was kids just stood around. They were actually coming along this boardwalk and jumping in and repeating and jumping in and repeating, weren't they? And they weren't going.
Yeah.
And we had to hold these dogs so tight.
Yeah.
But anyway, they calmed down in the end.
Just don't want them to fall in. Jamie's been falling in quite a bit, but he's just getting used to it.
He stood up now. I've just seen him.
Yeah.
He stood up a few times, but it didn't last long. But no, God. Do good. He's sat down, isn't he?
There's Dad. Sailing along, and Jamie is, we think here, sat on the board.
It would have been fine on one of them with the bugs, the pedal ones.
Yeah. Who's Jamie? The dogs. Teddy's cooling down.
Yeah.
Is that nice, boy?
Katie's on the paddle too. Oh, she's decided to. Hey. That's very cooling, isn't it, Bubs?
On the higher boat, they can't hear anything.
I'm eating.
Me and Jamie was here the other day.
We walked further over.
Ah.
That end.
think they've got a website now?
I think they're still on the go.
Oh well.
I'm just warming myself up. I might need barriers up next go.
Huh?
And getting barriers up next go for me.
Are you?
No.
Oh.
That worked out, that. Hey, got it. But I'm starving.
Oh, you wasted it. You got a spare. Oh. Alright, knock it down.
Good ball. Oh no, watch out.
Yeah. Yeah, he's running away with it. Hey? Come on. Yeah, he's running away with it. Still won. Yeah.
Tommy won. Then Mum. Then Dad. Then me. Then Alice. Then Jamie.
Wasted it, yeah.
Sorry if I...
Foodies. We finished bowling. Jamie didn't do as good as he has done before.
Let him win.
Yeah, he let us win. But yeah, I
In
was
1 mile,
bowling as
at
well.
the roundabout, take the second exit onto
I
the
was bowling a lot better
A595.
than I have before. Because I think last time I went bowling, Jamie did really well. We went bowling with work. And I was terrible.
It was the balls.
But I did quite alright, yeah. I liked the bowling balls because they had 4 holes. They had 2 in the middle and then 1 each side. And one was size small on one side and one was size medium, so you could pick which ones you wanted. And yeah, they were lightweight. And I actually did alright considering I'm pregnant and it's me. And I've never had a good track record for bowling. But yeah, then we went to KFC and just had something to eat because we were going to get food there, and they told us that I feel like I'm drunk. They told us a specific time that they were going to stop serving
At the
food,
roundabout, take
but
the
then
second
when we
exit
got
onto
there-
the
you know way.
A595.
But then when we got there, he was like, "Oh yeah, sorry, we're closed now. We're not serving food anymore, like at the bowling alley because there's loads of kids here." So me and Jamie was like, "Oh," and like because we had it in our heads that we were going to
In
get
1.5 miles,
food, I was
turn
like,
left.
"Oh, maybe we should go somewhere," because we are on holiday and stuff. But I think everybody else has gone back to the house and has made pizzas and stuff. But we can do that another time. Oh, I'm low battery on my belly.